You ever look in the mirror after months, maybe even years of training and wonder, why does my upper chest still look flat? Why does that collarbone still stick out like your chest just gave up halfway through development? If you're over 40, chances are this struggle feels all too familiar. You've stayed consistent, you've tried incline presses, you've added volume, and yet the upper chest refuses to grow. Here's the truth no one's telling you. It's not just about hard work. It's about understanding how your body is changing and how your training needs to change with it. Let's talk about what's really going on. As we age, everything about the way we build muscle shifts. Testosterone drops, recovery slows, and worst of all, the muscle fibers you're trying to grow become harder to recruit, especially in areas like the upper chest, which are already anatomically stubborn. Now, combine that with years of bad lifting habits, postural shifts from desk jobs, and a chest day that starts with flat bench presses, and you've got the perfect storm for an underdeveloped upper chest. But here's where it gets interesting. Most guys think the incline bench is the solution. Just throw a few sets at 30 or 45 degrees and call it a day. But building your upper chest isn't about what exercise you do, it's about how you do it. And that's where almost everyone gets it wrong. You can be doing all the right moves, but if your setup, your form, or your mental focus is off, the upper chest never actually takes the hit. Let's break it down. If your posture is poor, if your shoulders are hunched, and your thoracic spine is locked up, your upper chest is already in a shortened position. It can't stretch, it can't contract fully, and that means it can't grow. Think about it like this, your chest is like a rubber band. If it's already halfway stretched at rest, it's got nothing left to give when you go to pull it. Then there's how you actually perform the movement. Most men over 40 have dominant shoulders, tight pecs, and weak upper backs. So when they press, guess who shows up to work? The front delts, not your upper chest. That's why the angle of your elbows, the arc of your movement, and even your grip matters. If your arms are flaring out too wide, you're feeding tension into your shoulders. If your elbows drop too low, the load shifts away from the clavicular head. So it's not just the movement, it's the execution. And here's something no one talks about, the mind-muscle connection. Science has shown that consciously focusing on the working muscle, actually feeling it squeeze, can increase muscle activation by up to 20%. That's massive. But most guys just go through the motions, pushing the weight up, instead of thinking, bring the biceps toward the chest, contract that upper shelf. That simple shift in focus, it can change everything. Now let's talk strategy. You don't need 12 different upper chest exercises, you just need 2 done right, with intensity, with intent, and with an eye toward recovery. Exercises like the low cable crossover done in an upward arc, or a decline push-up with feet elevated and scapula retracted. Movements that isolate the upper pec without letting the shoulders hijack the lift. But before any of that, you've got to fix the foundation. Open up the thoracic spine, stretch those tight pecs, strengthen your mid-back, because you can't build a house on a crooked frame. Once that's in place, you lead your workout with your weak point, not your ego lift. Incline movements go first, not last. That's when your nervous system is freshest. That's when the upper chest is primed to respond. So if you're over 40 and your upper chest refuses to grow, don't blame your genetics. Don't blame your age. Blame the strategy. Fix your posture, adjust your form, focus your intent. And finally, give your upper chest the priority it deserves. Because the guys who build a full-dense chest after 40, they're not doing more, they're just doing it better. If you found this helpful, drop a like and hit subscribe, because real training advice doesn't age, it evolves. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.